little bit. Just bump the, you know, now you don't have to. But if you're setting something down on there that you know bees are underneath, if you just bump them, they'll move out of the way. And, yeah,
So
good, very good.
we're still smoking.
And still recording, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the one that I know I saw parasites in. And unfortunately, this is the one with the very heavy.
Oh no.
It's got two deep boxes on it. So I actually don't have the thing in the bottom right now either, so it's actually standing right where I'm at.
Ah. Let me see if I can squeeze over here out of the
Up underneath the window.
Got just a little bit of burr comb in the proper lid. Uh-oh, looks like I left a frame out.
Oh, you put it in.
You do that.
No, these are the ones that were already really fat and built up. This is from the mess.
And another hive.
Yeah.
When you
Oh. Remember, start with the second one in, not the one on the edge, so we don't break frames or boxes. All right. Okay. Classic example of using what you have available and it backfiring on you.
Oh my god. Wow. Was there no frame beneath it?
No, it's a deep box, and that was
Oh,
a
it's
medium.
a medium frame.
Okay. So this one's full of honey, and it looks like, is that drone brood?
yeah, some drone brood.
That's a lot of drone brood.
And spotty, which means they're kind of pulling it in an odd way. That's not normal. Is there color in between?
And I see a drone. I'm not seeing anything in.
There aren't a lot of drones, like extra drones. So let's set it aside and keep going and look. And maybe something more we'll see inside.
So the next one is full of honey on the top and honey on the bottom. That's full honey, just hasn't been capped on the bottom half. And this is full of honey as well. So they're doing a lot of collections. Well, hello. A ton of honey. A ton of honey. I'm starting to become alarmed. When I see that much honey and no brood, no fresh brood, I get a little nervous. Now these are frames that I'm really going to want to, I want to harvest the honey off of. But there's brood on them at the same time.
If you put a queen excluder in, you can
Stop the brood.
stop the brood from being laid. or you can move it to the outside, and the bees will.
Oh well, yeah, there's lots of brood in there, huh?
That
You got a
looks
queen,
like queen cells.
queen cup.